Today we're using a big sound sensor module. It can detect loud sounds like claps or knocks. This module has two outputs, a 0 and D0. A 0 gives analog sound values, and D0 gives a digital signal when sound crosses a limit. It also has two input pins, VCC and GND. Let's connect it to an Arduino and test it. As you can see, it detects sound whenever we make noise. This makes it perfect for clap switches, alarms, and smart Arduino projects. If you found this useful, like the video,